Hello there, my name is Jane Bowen-Morris and I'm a Research Nurse Training Coordinator with Type 1 Diabetes UK Immunotherapy Consortium. I think it's a really interesting and exciting time to be involved in Type 1 diabetes research. I think we've reached a stage where we've got a much better understanding of how the immune system works in Type 1 diabetes and real potential that new immunotherapies may prove successful in providing better and more effective treatments for the management of Type 1 diabetes. My role within the consortium is to support recruitment into trials. We're looking at ways of raising awareness of trials and interest in trials and how we can make it easier for patients to take part, and also working with healthcare professionals to look at ways of what training and training materials may help them and may aid recruitment into trials.
Hi, I'm David Dunga. I'm from the University of Cambridge. I'm a paediatrician who looks after children with type 1 diabetes. My interest is in the early prevention of type 1 diabetes. That's my ultimate goal in life. So it's a great pleasure to become part of the DUK Consortium and work with others across the country in trying to recruit children into these difficult studies.
So my name's Tim Tree. I work at King's College in London, and I have two real interests in type 1 diabetes. The first one is personal, because I was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes when I was 11 years old, and my father had type 1 diabetes as well. And in the Immunotherapy Consortium, I run the mechanistic core. This is a set of laboratories that are interested in working out how immunotherapy drugs work, and we're trying to establish who to put into which therapy so that they'll get the best possible benefits from these exciting new therapies.
My name is Yukfen Liu. I'm a clinical lecturer and diabetes consultant at King's College London. My interests lie in developing peptide vaccine trials, and I've been involved in the running of peptide vaccine trials within the Type 1 consortium.
My name is Mark Peakman. I'm a Professor of Clinical Immunology at King's College London. I'm interested in the role of the immune system in causing type 1 diabetes. In the Type 1 Diabetes UK Consortium, I'm running clinical trials of natural immune modulators to try and prevent or intervene in the disease.
Hello, I'm Kathleen Gillespie. I lead the Diabetes and Metabolism Unit at the University of Bristol. We're interested in measuring islet autoantibodies, which are markers that will tell us who will get type 1 diabetes in the future. And for the Type 1 Diabetes Genetics Consortium, we're developing new assays that make it easier to predict who's going to get type 1 diabetes, and also to follow these individuals through to help understand the process, the disease process.
Hi, I'm John Todd, recently moved to the University of Oxford as Professor of Precision Medicine there. I'm Director of the Wellcome Trust JDRF Diabetes and Inflammation Laboratory. Our role in the consortium is to take forward a number of mechanistic studies, principally and initially a study of low-dose interleukin-2 in children to assess the long-term effects of treatment on beta cell function and on immune function.
Okay, my name's David Leslie. I'm Professor of Diabetes at Barts in London. I've got a long-standing interest in type 1 diabetes, particularly through the study of molecular mechanisms based on various disease cohorts like twins. I am chairman of the Type 1 Diabetes UK Consortium.